In the realm of Norse mythology, Freya stands out as a captivating and powerful figure, representing love, beauty, and fertility. Revered by gods and mortals alike, she embodies the complex interplay between desire and strength, making her one of the most cherished goddesses in the Norse pantheon. As a member of the Vanir, she carries the dual legacy of nurturing life and engaging in the tumult of war, reflecting the diverse aspects of her character. Freya is perhaps best known as the goddess of love and beauty, embodying the ideals of attraction and desire. Her allure is not only physical, but also deeply entwined with her spirit and charisma, drawing both gods and giants to seek her favor. Freya is a symbol of fertility and the nurturing aspects of life, representing the vital forces that sustain growth and relationships. In Norse culture, she is often invoked in matters of the heart, as her presence is believed to bless unions and enhance the beauty of life. Her role as a goddess of love emphasizes the importance of connection and passion, highlighting the human experience's emotional depths. Freya's beauty is a double-edged sword. It inspires admiration, competition, and conflict, reflecting the complexities of love that can lead to both joy and strife. In addition to her associations with love and beauty, Freya holds a significant place in the realm of war and death. As a goddess of the Vanir, she possesses martial qualities that enable her to navigate both the nurturing and destructive aspects of existence. Freya receives half of the slain warriors who die valiantly in battle, welcoming them into her hall, Folkvangri. This domain is often viewed as a counterpart to Odin's Valhalla, where the bravest of warriors reside in the afterlife. Folkvangri is not only a place of honor for the fallen, but also a realm where Freya nurtures the spirits of these warriors, preparing them for the battles that lie ahead. This duality of love and war encapsulates the intricate relationship between creation and destruction, showcasing Freya as a goddess of balance, one who celebrates life while acknowledging the inevitability of death. Freya is a master of Seidr, a powerful form of Norse magic that encompasses a variety of practices, including divination, shape-shifting, and the manipulation of fate. Her expertise in Seidr illustrates her connection to the mystical aspects of existence and her ability to influence the world around her. Freya's knowledge of Seidr is so profound that she is credited with teaching it to Odin himself, further cementing her position as a figure of power and wisdom. The magic of Seidr allows Freya to navigate the complexities of life and the inherent mysteries of fate, making her an essential guide for those seeking deeper understanding and insight. Through her practices, she embodies the idea that love, beauty, and magic are intertwined, forming a powerful triad that shapes the universe. Freya is associated with two significant treasures that enhance her powers and symbolize her essence. The falcon cloak. This magical cloak allows Freya to shapeshift into a falcon, granting her the ability to traverse the realms of existence effortlessly. The cloak is a manifestation of her dual nature as a goddess of love and war, reflecting her capacity to move between the worlds of the gods and the more earthly matters of relationships. Brisingamen. The necklace known as Brisingamen is another treasured artifact, symbolizing the earth's fertility and the abundance of life. Crafted by dwarves, it embodies the intertwining of beauty and strength, a fitting representation of Freya herself. This necklace highlights the intricate connection between beauty and the natural world, reinforcing her role as a goddess of growth, love, and fertility. Freya, the goddess of love and beauty, is a figure of remarkable depth and complexity within Norse mythology. Her embodiment of love, beauty, and fertility stands alongside her associations with war and death, illustrating the multifaceted nature of existence. As both a nurturing goddess and a fierce warrior, Freya captures the essence of life's contradictions, showcasing that love can inspire both creation and destruction. Through her mastery of Seidr and her possession of powerful treasures, such as the falcon cloak and Brisingamen, Freya exemplifies the integration of magic and nature, love and strength. As we engage with her myths, we are reminded of the vital importance of love, beauty, and connection, alongside the recognition that life is a journey filled with both light and shadow. Freya's legacy endures, inviting us to celebrate the richness of experience and the complexities of the human spirit.